Hello, I'm in a 2011 Toyota Highlander, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle interface. So first, make sure your vehicle's on and that your display's on. And so from your home screen here, you can go to Bluetooth, and then here it just lists your information of the vehicle device name, passwords, things like that, which you can change. But from here, once you know that information from your device, make sure your Bluetooth's on. And usually if you push and hold this, it'll take you to like a pairing menu. So we'll go to pairing. And then from here, this SYU Android is what it says the vehicle name is. So we'll select that to start pairing. And then from here, we'll pair. And it says it's now connected. You can sync up your messages, things like that if you'd like. And as you can see, it's trying to connect on this end as well. And then this one is also enabled with Android Auto, which if you get Apple, it might be Apple CarPlay. But this way, it also lets you sync up maps and things like that, as well as your music, phone calls, all of that. Pretty cool system. But yeah, from there, if you're playing music now from your phone, you should be able to listen to it from here, control it from your screen. If you're having trouble hearing it, just double check your volume's turned up as well. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.